Charlotte, Fort Mills, KOA. Am I on the middle of the road? KOA Fort Mills General Store. Big weekends to camp and save. Care Camp Big Weekends. Get a night of camping for $20. That's stay Friday, May 13th. Get Saturday, May 14th for $20. KOA Rewards Weekend. Get a free night of camping. Stay Friday, September 9th. Get Saturday, September 10th for free. Darn, we missed that by a week and a half. Okay. Okay, and here's your dump station. It's got your water there. It's got your, I guess your dump station thing there. Dump station, not drinking water. And here they have air, $2 for 5-minute run time. But this is pretty nice setup. Okay. Alright, we're at a KOA in Charlotte. And this is the nice little playground they have. So it's a nice playground. You got the nice sand for the kids to play on. So that makes it nice when the kids are out here playing. They have a basketball hoop there. Over here is just like a sit down. If you have lunch or just relax. There's a ping pong table over there, it looks like. Here they have miniature putt-putt golf, which you have to get your golf clubs and balls inside, so I'm not sure how much that costs. We have that. Back here they have a really nice swimming pool. And this here looks like they have where you can wash your feet off before you get in or out of the pool. Get in, especially if you've been playing in the sand. But they have, the pool is looking pretty nice. But it is after Labor Day, so they shut the pool down last week. It's a nice sized pool. It looks like here they had where they had shade, like if they want to sit on it, but they've done take that down too. But anyway, it's a really nice, it looks like a nice KOA. Again, the miniature putt-putt golf. And I love the playground area, especially that white sand, that soft sand. It's nice to play with. It's not gravel and stuff for the kids. And this is a nice little area. And like I said, they have ping pong over here, but it also looks like they have cornhole. So you could set up a game of cornhole if you want, or ping pong. So that's fairly nice. And then there's the cornhole balls, or boards, so you could set that up. But anyways, we're gonna show you more of the campsite later. It looks really nice. Okay, this is Good Eats at Johnny's Place. Good food truck this way, and it's showing straight up. So now we're just gonna find it. So it's kind of cool. It's got a nice little spot here. Oh, I found the food truck. I guess this is the food truck, but it looks like it's closed. Alright, so here's the food truck. This is the food they have.
It's getting a little warm on the toes.
Well, we got a fire going. Got a pretty good fire going right now. Everybody's just sitting around the campfire. We can check out these showers. This is the women's. Of course, the men's on that side, which I won't know. No pets in the building, okay? But anyways, let's go in here. See? Alright, so they're pretty nice. Nice showers. The bathrooms are right there. And we have sinks. So we're going to wheel in my little shopping cart. Get my shopping cart wheeled in here. Wheel in my shopping cart. And I got waffles and eggs for breakfast. Brought to you by the shopping cart. Our campfire ring. Everybody's in the chairs. We had a tent there. They slept in the camper there. Of course, we got the truck here. Got old Duke. This is our campsite. The only thing I don't like about this place is how close everything is. I mean, you're right on top of your neighbors. You don't really have no privacy in between. Alright, well, we're about to go play some miniature golf, and they have a nice little putt-putt field here, so we're going to take on we're going to take it on and see how we do. Oh, we're not getting any people in it. Alright, so I'll just walk over here a second. Yay!
Okay, if I just shoot across that hump? Go ahead.
You might join the club now. Yay, 2. Yay! I know what happened on this side. This side, I don't know about.
We'll find out.
How?
We just blame it on it.
Yeah, but it's been the same dog that got me on this side.
Kim stuff on the tip. One.
It took you 6 times to do this one?
Alright, bring in. Kim thinks club's all around this side. There's a little shade up in this area. Shadier. The rest of it's in the shade. At least you probably won't make the 6 club. 2. She's in the 2 club still. Yay. All right, there. Okay.
Oh! So close.
Two. Good job. Let me do your hole in one. If that would have went in there. And the other way. Try it again. Okay, watch out. Here we go. She's determined to go straight to the hole.
Obviously, you just want to skip the tube action.
All right, here it goes. Get out of the green there. Okay.
Derek, you don't touch other people's balls. What did God tell you a while ago, Mom?
Alright. Alright, see. Let me stop it so that I can.
Yeah, the mountain is a
So close.
Well, it's lunchtime. We're ready for some lunch, and let's see what. Let's roll in that shopping cart. Let's roll in that shopping cart and see what we got for lunch today. We got black ham forest and some cheese and some chips. And so, what are we having? You guessed it. So, what's for lunch? You guessed it. Sandwiches. It's a hot day today. So, here's lunch. We got our ham and cheese roll up and with our chips. Lunch. There you go. Let's wheel in this shopping cart. Here comes the shopping cart. Alright, in my shopping cart, here's my shopping cart. I've got spaghetti meat sauce. I got spaghetti, and I have some hamburger. Hamburger, not for resale because this is off the farm hamburger. Okay, so what's for supper? You guessed it, spaghetti. So what's for supper? You guessed it, spaghetti. So let's get this thing started. Shopping cart here. My shopping cart. I've got my hamburger, my spaghetti noodles, and my spaghetti sauce. So I've got the water going on right here. I got my water going on right here.
Now you're gonna have to move.
Alright, you're gonna have to get that looks like. Yeah. Alright, let's get this thing started.
What did you do? You got it cranked wide open.
I'll open it for another one back here. I'm gonna let this water get hot. While it's getting hot, I'm gonna go ahead and grill up my hamburger.
Hi, how you doing? And the water pot don't want to set on the
Yeah,
stove.
once it slides, I have to hold it. Down, look on my
Been down looking on it for the last 45 minutes.
Oh, now 45 minutes.
They made us move.
Try to hold on to this second to get my noodles.
Hey, on my fingers.
Maybe I should have broken it in half. I'm just going to come down like that. No, I'm breaking it in half. I'm going to hold on to this like this. Hold on. Push my noodles in.
They ain't gonna bend like that, not until they get good and soft.
I'll just let that sit there a second. I should break it for a minute. Alright, I'm going to let this sit a second. I'm going to got the hamburger and the noodles cooking. breaking. Now they should break. Yeah.
Things the photographer's got to go through.
Alright, so now I'm going to hold on to this way. That's pulling. Stir this. My beans all brown.
Having that again. Sure if that another pot didn't slide off there yet. I've been holding that a second.
Alright, let me have this. Is it still on? I'm going to stir up my hamburger. I'll stir that a little bit better. I got my hamburger going. I'm not sure. I can put it in the back of the truck.
What are you
Okay.
complaining about?
All right, hold this. Shut everything off. Okay, hold this. Will it sit here any better? Michael, can you pick up this pot here? Right.
Either way, yeah, that'll work too. Not yet. Oh, yeah, later. Driving me cuckoo, which we haven't. I guess she wants a claw hammer. Oh.
Alright, let's shut it up. We'll get the hammer this time.
You who? What the huh? Now what are you doing?
Taking off my lid.
Oh,
Sit it down here.
a lot of water in there still.
It'll be alright because there's going to be a lot of water. But it is boiling, so whenever you guys are ready, there's supper.
So the campfire's on wheel. The campfire's on oven.
What?
Campfire on oven.
Today, yeah. Now you gotta take the whole thing over yonder and get it off the stove.
No, leave it warm up. Mom,
Why don't you put the ice cream?
and there's dinner.
There she is in bed again.
Good night, everybody.
Inside the big old Ford.